Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 71 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight, we're crafting a cocktail for reflection and remembrance. It's the Honor Guard. This is a patriotic, bold, and striking variation of a Boulevardier. It is a spirit-forward drink with a deep red appearance and a solemn, shimmering presentation. First, we will start with our shimmer. We're going to add both red glitter and white glitter to the base of our mixing glass. The red will add the color to go with our spirits, and the white will be like stars shining brightly throughout the cocktail. It's going to be lovely. Our base spirit tonight is the Rossville Union Store Pick. It's a cask strength at 111 proof. The whiskey brings an assertive black pepper spice that's going to give us the muscle that we need for this cocktail. Now we will use 2 ounces of the Rossville right into our mixing glass. A traditional Boulevardier uses a sweet vermouth, but today we're going to pair it with Campari as well as Merlet Cassis. The dense, rich blackcurrant of the Cassis combined with the bright, citrusy bitterness of the Campari is going to give us a beautiful, deep red color with amazing tasting notes. We will use 3/4 of an ounce of each. So first, 3/4 of an ounce of the Campari, then 3/4 of an ounce of the blackcurrant liqueur. We have a special bitter tonight by Jeptha Creed. It is their strawberry ginger bitters. It's going to give us a sharp ginger bite, but with some beautiful seasonal berry vibe going on. We will use 5 dashes of the Jeptha Creed bitters. We will add ice, stir for about 20 seconds, and then I will rejoin you. That is nicely chilled and very well mixed. We will now strain this into our rocks glass that has a large block ice in it. It is such a gorgeous color. Absolutely beautiful. And that is really all there is to it. The aroma is a rich, dark berry. It just really invites you to take a sip. And you got a little bit of that bright rye coming through in the back as well. Cheers to the Honor Guard. May you have blessings on Memorial Day. It's really a tale of 3 stories here. We have on the one part, we've got this lovely spice notes coming forward, giving you pops of pepper that are just lovely and really waking up your palate. Then the currant is this luscious kind of dark berry note that's playing so well with everything else. And we also have the Campari, which is getting us a little bit of bright citrusiness, complementing the strawberry and ginger in the bitter. I love the way they're all playing off of one another, and it's a stunningly beautiful drink. As we approach Memorial Day weekend, I ask that you please take a moment of silence for those that served our country and gave the ultimate sacrifice. And tonight, as always, I also ask that you please drink responsibly, that you have a most marvelous Thirsty Thursday, and I do hope you'll give the Honor Guard a try. Cheers.